Alright. What is up, guys? Hope you're all having a way better day than I am. Oh, this life sucks sometimes. But hopefully everyone's having a blessed day. Morning, night, whatever time it is you're watching this. God bless you and your family. Stay safe. And if you guys need prayer, put your prayers in the comments and I'll pray for you guys. Alright, well, let's get into this. Try to forget the everyday bullshit of everyday normal life and just, try to have fun. Probably just going to sleep the rest of the day because I'm probably just going to do this video and then go to bed because I just hate life today. I mean, I've been depressed pretty much all day yesterday and so far all day today, even though it just technically started because I've only been up for a couple hours. So. Let's see, where did we leave off? That's right, we did that. And I think we did the dancer. Yeah, we did, and we did that boss as well. That's right. I know what we'll do. We'll do Undead Graves, I think. Actually, no, you know what? We'll do this. We'll do this next. I did upgrade my weapon all the way, which is awesome. Because I watched a video on where to get more Titanite scales. And there were two of those Titanite things, the big lizards. There's two of them in Undead Graves, and I killed them. Each one dropped 2, so that helped out a lot because that was 4 right there. Definitely needed that. Alright, so now we have a fully upgraded weapon. So now we're actually ready now to do the rest of the game. Dang it, I was trying to run right past all of it. Didn't work out. Because I was gonna kind of zigzag. I was gonna do like a, Oh, come on. Not in the mood. For this bullshit. That's why at first I wasn't even gonna do a video, but I'm like, you know what? I gotta do something. Try to get my mind off of how depressed I am right now. Well, that's right. We left off where that's right because I was trying to fight Lady Freya, I think it was. Which ended up not happening. Oh, come on. I hit the O button. I was hitting O. Bullshit. Why doesn't my character move when I want them to? That's fair. How the hell did he fall in here, though? Because that made no sense. There's a top thing on the elevator. There's no way he could have came in there like that. He literally, like, glitched into the elevator and killed me. Right? Because I'm pretty sure there's a thing on the top of the elevator. Either way, though, I got that elevator shortcut. Yeah, see, the elevator is enclosed. There is literally no way he would have been able to get in here without either breaking through the top part or glitching through it, which I'm guessing he glitched through it, which was fucking bullshit. This damn fucking game and it's fucking broken bullshit. Yeah, I probably shouldn't be playing this right now. I'm too depressed, too aggravated. Bullshit. Oh, come on. I hit the fucking button. A little too early. Oh, that was bullshit. Holy shit. Alright. Was not expecting that. At all. Let's keep going for a little bit. Alright, that is all open. And then again, I apologize for my language. I just really hate life. I think we're gonna do Grand Archives, and then I'm just gonna stop. Uh, who knows? Maybe I'll stop recording all in general. Well, I don't know, because actually I do actually like recording. I don't know, I might, come on. Like, this area isn't annoying as it is. I fucking hate this game. Fucking prick. Yeah, fuck you. Asshole. Fucking hate invaders. They ruin this game. They really, really do. I know some people love it. I have friends that love it. I hate it. I think it's the worst thing ever made. All it does, it makes an already pain in the ass game even more of a pain in the ass. And yeah. Like, I just want to enjoy the game. But unfortunately, I can't enjoy this game because people like to ruin this game for everybody else. And I think that's what invading does. It just ruins it. I mean, granted, I have nothing against PvP because PvP is fun. I was doing PvP with one of my friends last night. We were just kind of goofing around. But see, like stuff like that is fine, you know, because PvP by itself is fun. I like it, but it's just having somebody invade your game just to make the game even more annoying and hard when it already is annoying and hard. Especially this area. I mean, you would have to be a complete asshole to invade in areas like this, where there's tons and tons of enemies and just lots of annoying bullshit. Like, this is just the shittiest area to invade somebody in. Uh, uh, I don't know, that just was not a fun fight at all. I mean, I like actual duels. That was not a duel. That guy just came in my world and, like, he wasn't doing this really for, you know, a fun and enjoyable fight. He was doing this to come into my world to destroy me. He didn't care about me having any fun, or even him having any fun. He just wanted to destroy me. Uh, I don't know, maybe he wanted to do it to be a bully, or maybe he just wanted to do it just... I don't know, but either way, it was a very douchey thing to do, and I hope that I never encounter that guy ever again. I don't like him. That's just how it is. I don't like him. Alright, let's see how good this spell works here. It says I can summon people without having embers. So let's test that out. Then again, there's probably nobody here. Yeah, I'm not seeing anybody. There's probably nobody here. Anyway, I'm going to go do that last thing I want to do, which is get that last Estus shard, and then I'm going to take a break, because for one, I'm already upset. You know, I'm depressed, I'm angry, and that invader made it worse, so we're just going to go and get the Estus shard, and then I'm just going to go back to bed. Sometimes I just really hate life and wish that I was never born. Matter of fact, you know what? If any of you have read the Bible and have read the story of Job, in some ways I kind of feel like Job. Because Job hated his life. Matter of fact, he cursed his own birthright, wished he was never born. And right now, I'm pretty much feeling like that. I wish I was never born. Like, I would rather not exist, to be honest. Because at least if you don't exist, you can't get depressed and upset about stuff if you don't exist. So, you know. But yeah, so, I'm just going to stop now. Hope everyone is having a way better time than I am. Just, life sucks sometimes, and we just got to deal with it. But anyway, God bless. Stay safe, and Maybe I'll see you guys later if I feel like it. I don't know. Just not really sure. Maybe I'll do a video later, maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just sleep all day. Doesn't sound like a bad idea. But, yep. So, anyway, God bless you and your family. Stay safe. And if anyone needs prayer, pray prayers in the comments, and I'll pray for you guys. And I will see you guys when I see you guys.